Clay Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a new 2020 model. This is a Northwood product. It is the Fox Mountain. It is the 235 RLS model. Come on inside, let me show you. This is a nice shorty, about 27 feet overall, end to end. This is going to be a rear living model with the great big rear back window. Dual pane glass is how we order them. Overhead cabinetry above. The slide out is the dinette and a cabinet. So we have overhead cabinetry above. Dinette that makes into a nice big bed. Storage underneath. We have drawers below. Nice clear cut plywood and solid wood construction on both sides. Nice big deep. This could be a clothes closet or a pantry with the double drawers down below. Panning around to the front end here with overhead cabinetry again. Jensen TV on a swing out bracket. This is a LED Jensen TV 12 volt system made for an RV. So it's not just a TV, gone to the local store, bought a TV, put in. This is exclusively made for an RV. It will handle some shakes and bounces around where your normal TVs are made to sit on a countertop at home and never get moved. So a little bit better luck out of this TV and long lasting. AM, FM, CD, DVD, MP3, Bluetooth, stereo system there. Cabinetry down below. Wi-Fi Ranger, 110 and USB, or 12 volt USB plugins down below, 110s here, thermostat here. We pan around over to this side. It's got the nice big Norcold refrigerator freezer. Freezer above. Overhead cabinetry, more overhead cabinetry through the kitchen. Microwave. Range hood, backsplash, 3-piece Furrion, griddle top burners there, with the nice large oven with the glass see-through door, big double deep sink, stainless steel pull-out nozzle for pressure, nice big kitchen window right here. Again, lots of cabinets. Garbage knocked down here. We take the garbage out from the other side cabinetry. Don't have to walk it through the house. Big bank of drawers here. Underneath storage. So Northwood uses plywood in the roof and the floor, not particle wood, which I think is a big advantage, especially being built here in the Northwest and used in the Northwest. Plywood is going to be a much better material, I believe. It's got a nice privacy shade here. Nice glass shower enclosure. Plenty of room inside. Overhead skylight for light and for those taller people. Nice big bathroom sink. Underneath storage. Vanity above. Privacy curtain for the bedroom. It goes all the way across. Nice big bed, closet space on both sides, drawer space on both sides, plug-ins and USB outlets on both sides, as well as individual lighting. Storage underneath the bed. Nice pillow top mattress. Overhead fantastic fan, and you'll notice the Northwood products as they do a lot of videos on YouTube and for our website. Northwood is going to use fantastic fans, better fans than what you see in some of the others that are just that little cheapsy small fan. They pay the extra money and put a nicer fan in for the consumer. Again, having the closet here in the bedroom with a nice bank of drawers below. Toilet room with window. And again, another fantastic fan in the ceiling with porcelain toilet. More and cabinetry above in there as well. Come on outside, I'll show you some of the exterior details. As we go outside, right in the doorway, we have our monitor panel. We have our solar panel that tells us the state of our batteries and what's being charged as we're sitting in the sunlight. So solar for the battery chargers right there. This is the access I talked about with the garbage can dropping down from. Here we go. Large assist door handle. Welded steps to the frame. Friction hinge door. So a little bit tighter hinge work so the wind doesn't blow it out of our hands. And one thing too I want to point out with these guys, they're probably the last manufacturer that I know and one of the only ones still doing it. They build their own frame for this model. So this model has its own frame, tanks are put where they're supposed to go, axles are placed where they want them to go by their experience. So very well built, short but large profile type fifth wheel in a great price range. Large 16-inch tires and wheels to handle the load. Nice lower construction down here. Nice and solid. Again, talk about the options that they use when they build this. It's the Carefree Colorado awning with the 6-way adjustable pitch awning. Therefore, again, not the El Cheapo awning compared to some of the other products. Nice baggage door, 1-inch thick, insulated with magnetic holder. Nice pass-through storage with the slam latch. Battery compartment, double trade for 2 batteries. Real easy to get to. Nice big one-piece end cap with cut corners. They're using the Rotaflex pin box, which is a rubber cushion to help absorb some of that torque motion when you're traveling. Very, very nice. Nice big, what I call the cold storage. Or if we wanted to put a gen in, it can easily be put in here. And I want to show you here, this is the thickness of the floor. So when you see this, you can see how thick that floor is and a solid construction. Very, very nice. Diamond plate rock guard in front. It's got the large rain drip gutters coming out so the water doesn't run down the coach, drips on the outside of the coach. Helps keep those black streaks from building up. Very large propane tanks. 2 of them, so you got a large LP capacity. The other pass-through storage on the other side with magnetic catch. And when you look here, see how thick the walls are? Nice thick walls. So again, a nice, small, short, lightweight, some people call it all-season coach. What's it missing? You tell me. Battery disconnect area, docking station, outside shower. Bring your hose up, your electrical plug, or cable plug-ins from here. Anything that we want to bring up through, we can keep the door closed, but have access, low point drains, side mount solar prep, outside lighting for whatever we're going to do outside here. Solid slide wall. You don't see this in this caliber of coach when you compare with other brands. This sidewall, same sidewall as here. No flex in that wall, does not flex. Very solid. That means all 4 sides of this slide out are going to be built just like the coach, and we don't have to slide in on those cold nights because it's a full insulated wall all the way around the slide out. Nice big area here for outside storage. All lit, adjustable rack. Front and rear electric stabilizers, as well as our 30 amp shore cord coming out the back end. Everything's LED lights inside and out. Spare tire mounted on the rear. Again, that nice big picturesque window on the back end. Ladder to access the roof with the rack above. So this is a great product built here in the Northwest to withstand the Northwest weather and been in business for a long time. Again, Clay Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center, been with the company for 15 years selling RVs. This is a great product for you to look at. If you have any questions on any of our other fifth wheel inventory, feel free to contact me direct at 541-979-1770. Thank you and have a great day.